In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform the look of your spreadsheet by giving it a sleek, modern design. We'll focus on changing the cell colors, adjusting the font color, and updating the border styles to create a striking contrast that enhances the readability and aesthetic of your data sheets. First up, we're going to select every cell in your spreadsheet. This step is straightforward. Just move your cursor to the top left corner of the sheet where the row and column headers intersect. Clicking here will highlight everything in your spreadsheet, ensuring each cell is ready for the stylish makeover we're about to undertake. With all the cells selected, let's shift our attention to the background color. Choosing a bold, black background can dramatically refresh your spreadsheet's appearance. This dark canvas sets the stage for a sophisticated look, helping your data stand out more clearly and giving the entire spreadsheet a polished, modern feel. Once the backdrop is set, it's equally important to pay attention to the font color for optimal readability. A classic combination of black and white offers sharp contrast and ensures your data is easy on the eyes. Change the font color to white and you'll instantly see your text come alive, popping vividly against the dark background without any unnecessary strain. Having nailed the essentials of color, let's move on to enhancing the borders. Navigate to the Borders tool in your spreadsheet application. Start by setting the line color to white. This creates a subtle yet effective contrast against the black background, striking a balance that keeps your spreadsheet looking clean and professional. After choosing the white line color, remember to click the top left corner again to reselect all of the cells. With everything highlighted once more, it's time to dive back into those border settings. Opt for the All Borders option. This choice outlines each cell in your spreadsheet, providing clear divisions that boost organization. Such a simple adjustment can make a world of difference, helping anyone reviewing your spreadsheet to easily track and interpret the information. And just like that, your spreadsheet has undergone a complete transformation. By following these simple steps, you've elevated the visual appeal and enhanced the clarity of your data. If you found this guide helpful, you can show your support by liking the video, leaving a comment with your feedback, and subscribing for more practical tips and tricks to supercharge your productivity. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.